Alright, so I got a unique problem. In order to put the lever arm back on, had to pull the oil bag and get the rear fender out of the way. We've got a unique problem here. So this guy, lever arm hits there. Has to travel back to here. Hits there. No movement on that push rod. Now put it over here. And this is really fucked up. Then you get more movement out of this going forward, and the push rod will move on the other side back here, right there. So obviously can't have it here. Well, the fun never ends. But you can see it just hits right there. You can go all the way back to here, push it forward, and there's no movement on that push rod. So what do? I'm sure this is part of the clutch problem. Yeah, I'm sure that's part of the clutch problem. Then you can see how far back the transmission is to accommodate the chain belt on that side. And got the right tension on the drivetrain and the correct tension on the belt chain on the front. And is moving that transmission forward going to do anything? Is it going to give me more room here? I don't really think so. I think I've got the wrong lever arm, although this is supposedly a 36-37. So, new problem. JB welded up the stud that's about right underneath here to secure it to the plate, and I think that is going to be fine. I don't think it's going to need to be aluminum welded and retapped. I think that'll work out fine. I'm going to remember which one it is, obviously. So, latest problems. It goes all the way back over here. It doesn't really go forward here. So that's where we're at. If you have some ideas, let me know. I'm basically making this for my Facebook mechanic friends who might know. Engine works fine. Engine works just fine. But this is a real issue. We've got quite a few clutch packs to work with, so I don't think that'll be a huge issue. Let's see, that hits right there. And there's still a little travel that could go farther if that wasn't in the way. Yeah, so there we are. Any ideas, let me know. It's going to be fun putting this all back together again. I don't know how I ever had this thing running down the road before. Maybe it was just pure luck. Alright. We'll catch you on the next YouTube. think that's all I want to cover. I'm only gonna work on this bike and the 71 2002. So I may have to farm out some work.